Did they overreact? The government officials respond to criticism about the storm alert. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we'll tell you why disaster preparedness officials are on the defensive.
TVJ scores win in legal battle with the Prime Minister.
Youth camps in Sudan under scrutiny amid concerns about sexual molestation.
In business news, the latest gas prices.
Here's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Now that we are in the hurricane season, are you satisfied with the state of drains in your community?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you by